Christopher Norris here from mining.com.au. Joining me today is True North Copper Managing Director Marty Costello. Marty, welcome.
G'day, Christopher. Thanks very much for your time.
Absolutely. Marty, you've described the results from the first drill hole at the Vero Resource as simply stunning. Tell us a little bit more.
We've had a long belief that Vero is unique. It's been locked up by one company for about the last 40 years. This initial drill assay result really reaffirms our view that this is an impressive resource. It's got lots of growth potential, and more importantly, it's got grade in both the copper and the cobalt, which are two critical minerals that we're specifically chasing as a company.
The Vero Resource hasn't seen significant on-ground exploration since 2012. What prompted you to resume exploration now?
Chris, it was the previous company's next mine. Between the years of 2008 to 2012, that company spent over $52 million in this project. And it wasn't because, the reason why it wasn't developed was nothing to do with the resource or the mine or the proposed mine itself. It was more to do with political and other factors, nothing to do with the actual resource. So we really, once we acquired the project, which happened in early June this year, we've set about making sure and continuing on and building on the work that the previous owners have done, and that also included, extending the resource further, which this drill hole today, or the assay today, shows that we've been quite successful in doing.
Now, Marty, with the promising results from the initial drilling at Vero and the mention of encouraging visuals, what are the company's projections or predictions for the overall potential of the Mount Oxide project?
Look, at the moment, we are drilling. We've got a drilling rig working out there 24 hours a day, and that's supported by a substantial exploration team, both in our offices in Cloncurry, out on site, as well as in Brisbane. We're encountering mineralisation. The mineralisation is similar to what we've been seeing in our initial assay results. And look, we've sent these drill samples to the lab, and look, we're pretty excited to look forward to telling the market all about them once we receive those results. I guess from what an investor should expect from us over the next coming months, we'll keep that drill rig going, because we think it's important, and we want to capitalize fully on the dry season conditions, good drilling conditions. We also expect to be in a position to recommence scoping studies on the project later on in the year. So that's sort of the playbook, I guess, for Mount Oxide. It's super exciting exploration, with kicking off development activities again in the not too distant future.
Fantastic. That was Marty Costello, Managing Director of True North Copper. Marty, thank you very much for your time.
Thanks, Chris. Thanks very much.